Қайырлы күн, М.Маметовның студенттері. Бүгінгі шет ел тілі пәніміздің тақырыбы nanotechnology. How big is nano? We live on a scale of meters and kilometers, thousands of meters, so it's quite hard for us to imagine a world that's too small to see. These powerful scientific instruments make images that are non-microscopic, which means on a scale millions of a meter wide. Nano means billions, so a nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. In other words, the nanoscale is 1,000 times smaller than the microscopic scale, and a billion, that is 1,000 million times smaller than the world of meters that we live in. By zooming into the nanoscale, we can figure out how small some of the puzzling things in our world actually work by seeing how atoms and molecules make them happen. You've probably seen that trick TV programs do with satellite photos, where they start off with a picture of the green and blue Earth and zoom in really fast at ever-increasing scale until you're suddenly staring at someone's back garden. You realize Earth is green because it's made from a patchwork of green grass. So, a few words about history of nanotechnology. Natural examples like this tell us that nanotechnology is as old as life itself. The brilliant American physicist Richard Feynman speculated about an incredibly tiny world where people could use tiny tools to rearrange atoms and molecules. By 1974, Japanese engineering professor Noria Taniguchi had named this field nanotechnology. Next, what can we say about the future of nanotechnology? Is it nanodream or nano-nightmare? Engineers all over the world are raving about nanotechnology. This is what scientists say. The new concepts of nanotechnology are so broad that they will influence every area of technology and science in ways that are surely unpredictable. So, nanotechnology is mostly used in medicine. It's widely used in medicine. So, there's incredible research being done to use nanomaterials for both detection and treatment of disease. We're learning to modify disease markers in blood. So each tiny bad molecule in blood will be lit up like a Christmas tree, making detection much easier. We're also learning how to best fill nanomaterials with chemotherapy drugs, which we can kill the cancer and lessening the horrible effects chemotherapy can have on the body. So why is nanotechnology important? Nanotechnology improves existing industrial processes, materials, and applications by scaling them down to the nanoscale. This trend is driving to improve existing products by creating smaller components and better performance materials, all at a lower cost. Your smartphone, smartwatch, or tablet all are containing billions of transistors on a computer chip, the size of a fingernail. I've added attached the link where you can watch a video about history of nanotechnology and the areas where nanotechnology is applied. So you can watch it, and if you have some other questions, interests, you can surf the internet. There are millions of information about nanotechnology. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.